All right, guys, we're on a 2020 Boston Whaler 350 Outrage powered by Trip 300s in the back. Right now we have the Skyhook mode on. This does come with the autopilot built in with the Ray Marine display system. We have twin live wells on this boat. We have your fold out seat back here with your dive ladder built in. That's for your port side dive door right here. Prep station right here with your second live well, and you have all your drawers and tackle area right there. This boat is white with a black hardtop frame. Definitely a great looking boat. We need to get it detailed. It does have the step that folds down if you want to raise up. I just ran this boat with my buddy Tyler, and we were running about 55 miles an hour wide open, burning like 0.8 miles per gallon. So it was great. Going down to 50 miles an hour, we were burning like 0.95, I think. So about a 400 mile range on this boat, depending on how you're running it. Definitely great for the Gulf Coast. Again, twin Ray Marine displays. We do have a VHF right here, VHF up there, your trim tabs, your joystick right here, active trim built in. Let's go ahead and move forward just so you can see the custom upholstery on this boat. You may or may not have noticed this does have SeaDek inside of it, but boat was totally reupholstered. This came from Florida. The customer traded in on a smaller Boston Whaler he's going to use in the Texas lakes. But you have your flip-up backrest right here. You have storage under all these seats. And right over here, Hannah, if you want to show them the head area. Very generous size head. This boat does also come with the all-weather curtain, so it closes you in, so you can really take this boat out on any day. If you have any questions at all, my name is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston. You can reach me at 936-223-6770. Have a great day.